Hey everyone! Today we're breaking down something every car owner needs to understand: the symptoms of a bad timing belt. This component is one of the most important parts of your engine, so knowing when it's failing can save you thousands of dollars. Let's get right into it. Before we talk symptoms, let's quickly explain what a timing belt actually does. Your timing belt keeps the camshaft and the crankshaft rotating in perfect sync. This timing is what allows the valves to open and close at the correct moment when the piston moves up and down. The timing belt is located at the front of the engine, usually behind a protective plastic or metal cover called the timing cover. Now, let's go through the most common symptoms you should never overlook. Symptom number 1. Check engine light. One of the first signs of a timing issue is the check engine light. Common codes related to a failing timing belt include camshaft correlation codes, crankshaft correlation codes, misfire codes, and timing over-advanced or retarded codes. To identify these codes, you'll need an OBD2 scanner, which allows you to read the engine's diagnostic information and pinpoint timing-related problems before they cause serious damage. Symptom number 2. Engine misfires. If your timing belt has slipped even a single tooth, your engine's timing becomes incorrect. This can cause a rough idle, random misfires, and a noticeable loss of power. The engine struggles because the valves and pistons are no longer working in sync, disrupting the combustion process and making your car run unevenly. Symptom number 3. Unusual engine noises. One of the first signs of failing timing belt is unusual engine noises. You may hear ticking, rattling, or squealing sounds, often caused by a slipping or loose belt. A more serious knocking or popping can occur if the belt has slipped a tooth, affecting engine timing. Any of these noises is a warning to inspect the timing belt immediately to avoid major engine damage. Symptom number 4. The engine won't start. Fast cranking, but no start. When the belt breaks, the starter still spins the crankshaft, but the camshaft stops turning. This reduces the load on the starter, so the engine may crank unusually fast, but it will never start. With the camshaft stationary, the cylinders lose compression, and in interference engines, the pistons and valves can collide, causing catastrophic internal damage. In short, a completely broken timing belt results in an engine that cranks but doesn't start, and if ignored, can lead to serious and costly engine repairs. And that's a wrap on the most common symptoms of a bad timing belt. Remember, catching these signs early can save you from a full engine rebuild and thousands of dollars in repairs. If you notice any of these warning signs, check engine light, misfires, unusual noises, or a car that cranks but won't start, don't wait. Get your timing belt inspected or replaced immediately by a professional. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car maintenance tips, and click the bell icon so you never miss an important update.